Unlocking the charm. Master the art of influence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, turning on the charm. This expression is not just about being charming. It's a skill that can open doors, build relationships, and enhance your communication. Let's decode its meaning, usage, and how you can apply it in your daily interactions. Turning on the charm refers to the deliberate act of being especially charming, persuasive, or flattering, often to achieve a specific goal. Imagine a light switch. Just as you turn on a light to illuminate a room, turning on your charm brightens interactions, making you more likable and convincing. This phrase is commonly used in scenarios where someone wants to make a good impression, persuade others, or improve a social situation. This skill is particularly handy in various situations, such as job interviews, negotiations, first dates, or even resolving conflicts. Turning on the charm involves a combination of body language, tone of voice, compliments, and engaging conversation. The key is to be genuine. Overdoing it or appearing insincere can backfire, making the effort seem manipulative. Tips for turning on the charm. Smile genuinely. A warm smile can break the ice and make others feel comfortable around you. Maintain eye contact. This shows confidence and interest in the conversation. Listen actively. Engage with what others are saying without rushing to speak about yourself. Compliment sincerely. Find something you genuinely admire or like about the person and compliment them on it. Let's put this into context with some examples. In a job interview, I knew I had stiff competition, so I turned on the charm to ensure they remembered me. During a sales pitch, she turned on the charm with the clients, explaining the benefits of the product with a friendly and engaging manner. At a networking event, he turned on the charm, making everyone he spoke with feel like the most important person in the room. Turning on the charm is more than just being pleasant. It's a strategic tool that, when used wisely, can greatly enhance your interpersonal interactions. Remember, the essence of charm is authenticity. Practice being genuinely interested and engaging with others, and you'll find this skill becomes a natural part of your social repertoire. We hope you found this video helpful and that it adds a new dimension to your English language skills. Until next time, keep learning and stay charming.